Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of the game Pokemon Masters EX. So this is a really cool game, but unfortunately, it's kind of hard to be rich on this game, but in the mod menu, we can actually get unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on right here. As you can see, it says gems have been activated. So I just enabled that, so now my gems should start increasing. That's the main part of the Pokemon Masters EX mod, that you get unlimited gems. So let's see if it goes up. You can see currently we're at 2,889. Not something to talk about, like it's pretty ass, but I'm hoping for, oh my gosh, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Pokemon Masters EX modded version for your device so you too can get unlimited. It's super crazy. So let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So all we have to do really, it's pretty simple, is just go onto this website, tweakmod.com, I'm pretty sure. So on this website, guys, I just want you to type in Pokemon, and it should be in here somewhere. Yeah, Pokemon Masters. So go ahead and press install, and it will start downloading it. So before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. This is the last step. Basically, what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions, 100% for free. Also from the official app store, so you don't have to worry about any third-party download, which nobody wants to do, obviously. Who would want to download something that's not from the real app store? But this is actually pretty simple. So as you can see, guys, it is now done. So we're just going to wait for this to load, and it should take us to the final step, which is obviously the verification. So basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. They're all completely free. So like Underdog says download and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. I could do Travel Town, where you got to reach level 9, match to win. I mean, most of these are pretty easy. I understand why you might not want to do the Travel Town because you got to reach level 9, but like Underdog is pretty easy. TikTok, it's just down and run for 30 seconds as well. So overall, guys, I think it's pretty simple to download a Pokemon Masters EX mod.